Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of these two little 3-footer Christmas trees that I ordered from Walmart. They were very cheap, 16 bucks each, and I was super excited. I did see them on display and I was like, oh my god, those would be so cute near this little mantle that I have. And I just could not wait, so I had to go ahead, and then surprisingly they were very good quality for $16. I did see some on Target, but they were like $30, and I was like, oh no, if I get both of them for 30, even better. So these little trees are perfect for a corner or fireplace decor or a little mantle decor. The branches are very, very sturdy. The base is somewhat not too heavy and not too light, that'll topple over. And the bottom is just a burlap wrapping that I loved because most of my house is farmhouse decorated, and so I definitely feel like it added to that. Basically, these were so beautiful, so cheap. You cannot beat the price, $16 each. Did I mention the branches were sturdy? Super sturdy. You could definitely hang things on here without, worrying that the tree's gonna flop over. But yeah, I'll just be adding some little twinkling lights, and that'll be it for this area.